Did you know that only 10% of AI models are actually connected to the internet, despite their ability to learn and adapt in real time? This is a staggering statistic, especially considering the vast potential of AI to transform industries and revolutionize the way we live and work. In this video, we'll explore how to bridge this gap and unlock the full potential of AI by connecting it to the internet using the right tools. To understand how to connect AI to the internet, we first need to grasp the basics of AI and how it interacts with the digital world. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. The internet, on the other hand, is a global network of interconnected computers and servers that enables communication and data exchange between devices. When we connect AI to the internet, we're essentially enabling these intelligent systems to access and exchange vast amounts of data, learn from real-world experiences, and adapt to changing environments in real time. This convergence of AI and the internet has the potential to transform industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation, and unlock new opportunities for innovation and growth. Key concepts to understand here include machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, as these are the building blocks of modern AI systems.